Come on.
That's your laptop.
Sir?
That's your laptop.
iPad, yeah.
iPad.
Taking pictures of the pond.
Oh, nice. Where do we do it here?
Yeah, make a long stalk, 'cause that's the tasty bit. Leave the small one, we're going to let that grow a bit bigger.
Like this?
Mmm. Did it spike you?
Yeah.
I know, bastards, aren't they?
Okay. Then that one? What do you reckon?
Yeah, the lot. Except the small ones. But look at these beautiful purple ones down here.
Okay, how can we... Need to sharpen this.
Hmm?
Need to
No, I sharpened it a minute ago.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay. This one?
Yeah,
Here?
tasty. Yeah.
We'll go down.
Maybe not that far.
Shall we try?
It'll be hard. That'll do.
Oh, what a beauty. Okay.
It's a pretty thing, isn't it? Yeah.
Very.
I think that's the biggest one. No, it's the second biggest one we've grown.
There's one more here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, very nice.
Okay, we'll let the others grow a bit more, I think.
Well, no, those up there need doing.
These?
Yeah, that's right. They will get smaller as the season progresses.
Oh, right.
Yeah, it's like broccoli.
Oh.
You take the main head and then
Mm.
that might be a bit too far down, you know.
It feels really tender.
Does it? Okay, all right. And these two there, and that's
You
it.
sure?
Yeah.
There's a few tiny ones up
We'll leave
there.
them. Yeah. If you cut them, more will come. Look at those bloody spikes.
Ouch. There's a little ladybird in there. We'll have to rescue him.
I think he's gone. And then one more.
Okay. I think we need some gauntlets to crop these, you know. They're really spiky.
Well, the thing was, I wanted to dig that one up and propagate the purple one, but
Yeah.
it is a good taster. It's just vicious. Did you enjoy eating it this morning?
It was delicious. It was kind of sweet as well, which surprised me. I wasn't expecting that. Ouch! Okay, we have a bouquet of artichokes, if I can hold them. I don't think I can.
I don't think you can. Not next to the bindweed. Let's pretend we've got a good looking garden. Yeah.
Okay, there we are.
Stab. Ah, look at that. That is a bouquet, isn't it?
Yeah,
You could carry that to a wedding, couldn't you?
you could, people do.
Yeah. Do they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not with just these,
Yeah.
you know, artichokes with other things as well.
Are you thinking of thistles?
No, this as well. They're really quite sculptural and beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah.
Mind you, if you take the spiky one, if you change your mind at the altar,
Yeah, you
just
get
go
whack 'em on the bomb, done with it. Yeah.
and run down the corridor. Okay.